Hey fantastic family, welcome back to another video. Guys, today we're in Durham, North Carolina, celebrating Jamaican Independence Day. Yes, we found out about the celebration on Facebook and immediately we wanted to go. I really want to go because I want to get some manish water. Not sure if they have that there, but we'll find out. So guys, if you don't know what is manish water, it is a soup that we drink in Jamaica. It is made with goat meat, mostly like the head, the tripe, the feet, and it has like different vegetables, spices. It's spicy and flavorful. So if you ever go to a Jamaican event, you can always ask to try the manish water. It's good. If you have had manish water before, drop a comment and let me know if it's something that you like or not. And if you have never had manish water, let me know what's your favorite soup. So this is just bringing back memories of when I was in primary school. They're actually doing egg and spoon race. I remember going to primary school and I won a soup cup for winning the egg and spoon race. So here they are, but this one is like a team event. So I think they had like 3 people on the team, and once they complete the first round, they go down and pass the spoon with the egg to the next person. But I liked egg and spoon growing up. Babe, did you like egg and spoon when you were going to primary school?
Yeah.
Go! My boy lives in Jamaica. Come on, Mr. Blue. You got it.
So fantastic family. After watching the egg and spoon race, I still wanted to get my manish water, so I decided to go and explore to see what they had on sale. The first truck, which is this yellow truck, I think it is a lemonade truck. They also had a truck that sell vegan food, and there was one truck that had Jamaican food. Guys, the line was so long, and this is just a glimpse of the line. The line curl up and gone all the way to the back. So I decided to explore other alternatives to get something else to eat. So we started walking down the road to see if we could find a restaurant to get some food. At this point, I'm no longer thinking about the manish water. I just want something to eat. After walking for about 10 hours, I'm exaggerating, but it felt like it. We decided to leave. I know that there is a Jamaican restaurant close by, and we decided to go there. Guys, when we reached there, it was a different restaurant. So when I walked in, there was nothing Caribbean about that restaurant. So we headed to Wingstop. Come on, guys. Stop at Wingstop. After looking at the menu for about 15 minutes, I chose the mango habanero and the spicy Korean. Hubby took the Hawaiian, RJ took the atomic, and Zai the chicken tenders. We also got lemonade. When we got home, guys, we didn't know which was which, and while eating and looking back at the menu to see the ingredients, that's when we started to realize that, hey, this was not my order but hubby, or it was just a whole mess. Zai didn't even eat the chicken tenders. The French fries, I was highly disappointed with the French fries. I like French fries, and usually I eat my fries before having my meal, and it was a no-no for me. Like the whole thing was, it was a no-no. So I don't know if I probably ordered the wrong thing. If you are a Wingstop lover, please drop in the comments and let me know what to order on my next trip, because this was not the one for me. But maybe I just ordered the wrong thing, so let me know in the comment section. So guys, this is the end of our video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.